Alrighty, howdy folks. Welcome back. This is a different game I'm going to be trying, and this is called Trees Hate You. Now this is only the demo. The full game is not out yet, but I have wishlisted it. So if I like this, I will be buying the full game. Now, further ado, let's get into it. Oh. I don't want to be a loser. I want to be a victim. What is that? Alright. Oh, this is like Mies, dude. Okay, we're gonna go like this. Oh my goodness. No. Let's go like that. I think I like that. Sure. Let's do something basic like that. Do those. You're not gonna see my eyes anyway. Let's go with that. Buck teeth, yes sir. Goofy glasses, yes sir. Mustache, yes sir. I am gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Okay. Spacebar to read. Be sure every sign you see. To read every sign you see. You'll never know one. Ah. Okay, what are you? What the fuck? Okay, I go around. Haha, stupid tree. See, look, there's another tree. But if I go through there, it's gonna kill me. What? All right. Just has a gun, I guess. Whoa! Oh, gotcha. Oh no. You're following me. Holy shit! Okay, it's one of these games. No, 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 no. Ah, gotcha. What are you gonna do to me? Hang on. Can I walk past you, please? Oh, oh, it's on purpose. It does that. Okay. Oh, screw you. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Oh. Okay. Oh, gotta bait the gun. Gotta bait the gun. Gotta bait the gun. Gotta bait the gun. Gotta bait. Oh no. Oh, wait, where'd they all move? No, 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 no. Okay. Screw this one. You got a gun. You also have a gun. So we'll go. Whoop. Aha, 2 for 1. Dude, only 2 for 1. Okay. Whoa, screw you. Gun. Nice. Gun. 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 Go, 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 go. And we're safe. We are not safe. Okay. Gun. Easy. Gun. Nice. Oh, 3 guns. Gun. Go, 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 go. Okay. Now if we just. Hey, that's not fair. That's actually not fair. And I missed. Oh, you guys suck. Horrible aim. Oh, you guys suck. Oh, let's go. Easy, 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 easy. Go, 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 go. Okay. What do you say? If you get stuck, press tab and check. I forgot. Nice. Nice. No, fuck. Okay, screw you. Gun squared. Gun cubed. Okay, screw you. Screw you and you. And you. Oh, go, 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 before these trees get me, before these trees get me, before these trees get... There's another tree, I swear. I'm out, I'm out. See, I'm not gonna do that, because I'm not stupid. Gun. Gun, 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 gun. Live, alive. Are we for real right now? Okay. Bam. Gun. Gun. Gun squared. Gun cubed. Gun cubed. Gun cubed in my fucking. Okay. Gun. Another gun. Come on. Another gun. Another gun. Multiple guns. Multiple guns. Go, 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 go. I got the. Screw this game, bro. Gun. 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 Go, 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 go. How did you hit me? Actually, how? Okay. Screw you. Gun. Go, go, go. How? 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 Gun. 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 Nice. Give me another one. Nice. Go, 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 go. Nice, made it. See now, you up here, you're my issue. Oh. It's gonna do something stupid. It's gonna do something stupid. I bet right now. Go, 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 go. I was waiting for another. Yes! Okay, I got a checkpoint. Screw these trees, bro. What am I doing up here? Oh. Oh, I found something. Hell yeah. Don't know what it is. It's probably gonna say something stupid like, good job, loser. Oh, I got a coin. Okay. Oh. Alright. I'll take it. Okay, we got you. Blam. Awesome. And... Oh, fuck you! Fuck you! Wait, no! Okay, okay. Haha. You're gonna try. You're gonna try. Haha, you suck. Okay, you're gonna shoot. You don't do anything. There's a fucking tree behind me that shoots. Is that what's killing me? And you're... I hate you. Nice. Easy. Easy. Okay, you're gonna shoot. Shoot. Nice. Nice. Okay, I made it back here. Screw you. Haha. Screw you. Screw you. Screw you. Screw you. Nice. 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 This is easy. This is easy work. Light work. No reaction. Light work. Light work. Light work. Oh. Okay. You're gonna come this way. I'm gonna go whoop. I'm gonna go this way. You're gonna go whoop. You're gonna try to peer them out. Yeah, see? Then if I come up here, can I render you? You're stupid. And I made it back here. You were not there before, but alright. I have the fastest reflexes known to man. Oh my gosh. Oh! Why did I do that? Nice, 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 nice. Alright, easy, 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 easy. Whoop. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was stupid. And there's a wall of trees with guns. Makes sense. Motherfucker. Okay. Okay, stupid tree. Ah, get out my way. You think if I go up here, I'll be safe since it only shoots forward? No, the tree stretches to accommodate me trying to avoid it. Awesome. Forget about that tree. Okay, screw you, tree. Nice. I don't even know where you come from. Okay, yeah, screw you. You're gonna fall. Whoop. Then you're gonna shoot. 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 Question. Shoot. Question. Shoot. Question. Shoot. Question. Nice. No. Go. 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 Oh. Okay. 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 We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. I have a feeling there's something coming this way. Cause look, how open that is. Ooh. Hello. Tree. Tree. No. Oh my gosh.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oh, I was going from the other way, motherfucker. Oh, and I fell. Nice. You bitch. I was aiming there. Fun. Okay, yeah, screw you, buddy. Screw you, buddy. Yeah, screw you. Gun. Falling. Firing squad, apparently, for some reason. Go. Bam. Dodge. Nice. Screw you. Okay, screw you, bud. You sloppy bitch. All right, bro. I'm gonna screw you. Aha. We got this in the bag. We got it. We got it. Firing squad. Firing squad. Fire. I know what to do, but I can't do it. I'm too stupid. Stupid. I ain't gonna let you get the chance. I forget you can shoot so fast. Bam. Nice. Screw you. We're gonna try to trigger both at the same time. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Down. You're going down too. Down also. Okay, just hug this wall right here because this it chooses when it wants to come. Nice. Oh, you're joking. There you go. Yo, what? You're funny. You're you're funny. You're hilarious. I'm laughing. Get out of my way. Stupid. Nice. Nice. Down. Oh, you almost got me. You almost got me. You almost got me. You almost got me. You almost had me. You had me by a little hair. Go. Oh my gosh, I did it. What? Why? 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 Oh my gosh. Okay. These are different trees. Oh. Okay. Okay, screw you too, bud. Are we dead ass? Oh my gosh, it's you. I have to get past you. Why am I wanted? Holy shit. What are you gonna do? Oh, nothing? You prick. What do you say? You're hilarious. Oh my gosh, why? This guy really say watch out? No, I don't trust that tree. Yeah. Yo. I should have trusted my gut. You're gonna do something stupid, ain't you? No. No, you didn't. Oh. What? Oh, no. Now see. It's still. So we gotta go the opposite end. Oh, screw you. Oh, you have apples. You're gonna. You're dead, idiot. Okay. Okay, buddy. You're a little funny guy, ain't you? Screw you. I'm going up here. Is there a right choice? I guess this way's the right choice. Go, 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 go. You fucking loser. Why did you do that? Why did you do that? Okay, go, 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 go. What? Okay. What's gonna happen to me? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you doing that? First off, I'm gonna get this checkpoint before I touch this. Play. Yes. Trees hate you. Yes, this is the game. Oh my gosh, am I playing music? Oh, no, 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 no. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, I see what you're doing. You're a slippery little prick, ain't you? What if I'll take the long way. I can't get past it. Go. Go. How do I do this? Why must the trees hate me? Oh, 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 go, go, no, 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 I'm stuck. I can make that, I can make that, I can make it. Go, 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 go. Oh, all right, I see how it is. Yo. Okay, I got it. I got this. You just gotta know what to do. You just gotta know how to play the game. You just gotta know. Okay, and you're gonna sprout it, ain't you? Fuck. And it just kills me right away. Dude, that's impossible. It's not possible. There's no way. There's no way to avoid him. Anyone who's actually being this is actually a liar. Oh my gosh, are you stuck? Oh. No. Oh my gosh, I did it. You were a tree. Yo, what? Biblically accurate tree? Am I in tree heaven? You're so funny. Oh, that's it. I have 81 deaths. All right, well, thank you everyone so much for watching. I truly appreciate it. I really enjoyed this game, and I think I'm gonna order it whenever it comes out. So thank you so much for watching in. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you in the next one.